Welcome to the fourth episode of Game Dev Insiders. I'm Justin. On my top right, I have Nataliya, and then Sarah's on the top left. A couple of days ago, we announced a partnership with Anything World and Omni Animation, and we have Nataliya here from Anything World to kind of give us an overview of what Anything World is and what is this integration all about and kind of the whole shebang. So Nataliya, I'll let you take it from here. Just what is Anything World?
Hi, everyone. Basically, Anything World is a startup. We are based in London, and what we do is we are making 3D creation available to all through AI. We are developing different tools for game designers, developers, 3D artists, and other creators. We automate the most time-consuming and boring, tedious tasks for them. 3D worlds are brought to life in some easy and fun way. Our main development is an outer rig. We are making outer animation of bipeds, of insects, of birds, of humanoids, and other creatures. So you can just upload your 3D model to one of our tools, and we are available now in Blender, in Unreal, in Unity, in Discord bot, and also you can animate in our main website. Also we have AI voice creator where you can transform your voice to 3D models, but this tool is available only in Unreal and Unity. Also, we have a variety of game-ready maps and a browser of static and animated models. You can just search for any model you wish to have in your game or in your animation through our browser, and it's like that. I can share my screen and just show you our main website and just walk you through it.
Yeah, definitely. I think that this really ties into a lot of what users experience kind of on the Unity side of things. Our primary customer base are Unity developers, so I think having an easy way to rig especially is extremely powerful.
It's our plugin is Outerrig is available now in Unity and Unreal, so you don't need to re-upload all the models to the software. So it saves you a lot of time.
Yeah,
and it's very easy to use.
Yeah, so
I just
can you give a quick demo of it? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Should I give a demo of our website, or I think you will
Yeah, just a demo of the website.
This is our and you can find. Okay, yeah. Here have our main products. Try out and upload. Here you will find AI creator, our browser, and you can load our beautiful game-ready maps. All this and Unreal. Here the models library. This is like our main browser with our Yeah,
Okay.
so
Oh, he's cute.
yeah. Also, we have a Discord bot where you can just upload on the Discord your model and it will be animated. And of course, our main development is Animate Anything. This is like our auto animation tool. Yeah, as you might know, we have now 2,000 more animations that is available from your side, from Omni.
Yes.
So this, yeah, I can just show how it works. You just need to drop your model. I have a model from Ready Play Me in GLCE format. You just drop it in the browser. It's processing the mesh. Meanwhile, you can name the model.
Well, first off, I had disabled my camera because I was having some connection issues, but I think we're okay now. So you had uploaded. We didn't see you first selected the file from it's just like a regular. I guess you said GLTF file that you just uploaded.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
I just uploaded. I made this character in Ready Play Me. It's very easy. It works like
Right.
a Sims creation, I think. I just uploaded the character to my computer and then drop the file to this browser window. And
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah. So easy. No problem.
yeah, it's very easy. After that, you just need to model the name, or you just need to name the model and type which model is this? Is it like a humanoid or an animal? Yeah, anyway, I think further it will have some subcategory and it will automatically select the right category. But if it's not what you meant, you can just select another one. And here we have like humanoids and quadrupeds, insects, birds, vehicle, and some other categories that are still coming, like fishes and snakes. So yeah,
I
think
have a question. What's the strangest object that somebody has tried to upload?
Sorry?
What is the strangest object that somebody has tried to rig?
It's hard to say. I'm not like in QA,
Okay.
like yeah, but I think that I drop the most strangest object there because I also create models in AI creator like Messi and like Luma, CSM, where you can just type your crazy fantasy ideas of models, like a tiger with butterfly wings, like,
Right.
you know, and it will just generate a model based on your prompts.
So wait, so that tiger with butterfly wings, would it rig the butterfly wings, like the wings as well in this case?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
It just
Okay.
it's just a tiger, yeah. But I think if you will select a category like a bird, you can try to animate its wings. You know.
Okay. Right.
We don't yet have this category like of tiger with wings.
Okay, that's coming. I see. Okay.
In some future. So yeah, so here I select just the humanoid and press continue. Here you can rotate the model if the rotation is not correct. Here you have these rotation buttons, but you can also reset it. Yeah, as everything is correct here, and I press my model is symmetrical and press continue. And here it just will take a brief few minutes to auto rig it.
So the auto rigging, it works. It uses AI to auto rig it, correct?
Yeah. It uses AI, and later you can just tweak the rig if you see that something is not correct. But usually everything works flawless. And we have now available auto rig also for the fingers. So on the upload, you can have your fully rigged model also with fingers rig, which is pretty cool.
That's a new feature, right? Because I mean, we first, for brief history, we first, we were at Gamescom and we met Gordon from Anything World there, and that's when this whole kind of partnership integration started. Both of our teams had to get our APIs in line in order to get the integration done, but so that was last fall, and when I tried it out last fall, I don't remember the fingers being there.
Yeah, it's a new feature because we have a lot of things that is coming now. And this feature with fingers is very new.
Oh,
so
cool.
You see,
Okay.
it's selects automatically, detects all the fingers, and it just puts this red dots. And if you think that something is not correct, you can just tweak it using these dots and arrows. Also, we have mirror selection, but you can also deselect it, and it will just select one dot at a time.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, but here I think everything is okay.
Are there toes? I'm just curious. Not yet.
No, not yet.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Yeah. I'm assuming toes are easier than fingers. There's obviously so many things to do.
Yeah, but I think we won't use so much toe.
Right. Right.
Yes, on
Sure.
your yeah. Yeah. So yeah, after this you can just view your animation. It will also take some time, about 5 minutes to animate it.
So what's it doing right now? So is this when it does the actual rigging process now that you have selected your rig?
Yeah, what it do now, it just getting all animation ready. For example, now it will make some basic animations available, like walk, jump, idle animation. And if you would like to make more animation, for example, from a fighting section, communications, you will need a little bit more time to wait, because previously we have all the animations at once, and you had to wait 20 minutes for them to be available, for it to show up. So we decided to shorten this process. Yeah. So on the next page, you can just select the animation, from Animate Anything or from Omni, and yeah, it will be just already.
So as I'm seeing the world guy dance, was he rigged with Animate Anything?
I'm not so sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
But he could be.
Yeah, maybe. I'm not. It could be, but I think this one was animated way before all this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And was ready.
Yeah. No, Sarah, I probably can describe more, but one of the things that I've heard just is that rigging, it always is a pain, and it's something that's kind of tedious and nobody necessarily likes doing it.
I also always trying to avoid this. Yeah, I'm also a very lazy person. I want everything to be ready already to use.
Right.
Animation and working with all this rigging, and it's very tedious, and it takes you really a lot of time to first to rig and then to make all the animation. So with our tool, everything is ready to go. Just you can upload the character right to your game, and to use it as a third-person character, as a first-person character, as characters on the background, just for the game. It's super easy.
Right, right,
Mhm.
right. Oh, there we go. Okay, good timing.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So here you can see we have some base animation from Animate Anything, like walk and jump animation. If we scroll down, we have some advanced movements, but you also will need to wait a bit to it to upload. Some communications, fights, animations, and here we have new Omni Animations. So we can generate them. Yeah, so basically it's like a main browser for the animations where you can select what you would like to have in your game, like for example, magic charge, playground.
So
Yeah.
we call this character Atlas, and it's really cool to see Atlas on Animate Anything.
Yeah, it is.
So we can try just this for the start.
Mhm.
Also, I like that we have a search menu here, so you can also search for animations you would like to have, like some with the rifle.
Right.
Yeah, it's also super nice, and it's so many cool animations, and the quality is like on the very high level. It's super nice.
Thank you. Uh, yeah, all um, those animations were mocap recorded and then cleaned by Sarah. So it's definitely been quite a bit of work, but it's exciting to see where we're going with it.
Mm. And I have a question. Did you make this animation like keyframing, or I know there is like some software you can where you can record yourself like some movements and then put it on the character.
We actually have a motion capture suite, so we've been recording all of them with when we try to get different like professionals in their field. Like we got an ex-military guy to record a lot of the like ones with the weapon, and then a lot of the fighting animations. So he was like, yeah, previously MMA, and so it was kind of interesting because one of the things he said was in video games he kind of gets bothered by the characters not holding the items properly, and so he kind of wanted we did a lot more detailed animations in that regard.
Wow, it's cool.
Um,
So someone was making all these like actions, yeah, and then
yeah, some of them are us recording them. Like, yeah, we kind of just choose a category and kind of just like think of as many ones as we can think of, and so we'll get like 80 animations for one category, for instance. So yeah,
it's
this
cool.
was magic.
Yeah, it's cool. So yeah, as you can see, all the animations is already being transformed to the model, um,
And
and yeah.
and then so then you download the entire set of animations and it's on your character already. So then you're just ready to go.
Yeah, you just download the format you would like to use. Usually, I just select FBX. Yeah, it's like a default, and you can download everything and upload to your software like Unreal
Right.
or yeah,
Pretty much anything.
yeah, anything.
Anything can read an FBX.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's really neat. Yeah, I definitely see the rigging aspect being extremely useful, especially for indie devs, where you get a lot of devs
Mhm.
who they know how to model or whatnot, but then rigging is a completely different story. And
Or if you create a model on Ready Player Me, or you buy a model off the store or something, then you can just quickly take it into anything world and then already have the animations hooked up.
Right.
Yeah, with all this AI development, you can just really type a prompt of what you would like to have. I had some like task where I explored like 5 different AI generators, where you can just prompt, like for example, for an anime boy, like in a business suit, and they all have like an amazing result. You can just then upload them to our Animate anything tool, and yeah, you just basically don't need to have any 3D knowledge at all. Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, that's amazing. Um, so,
And then,
oh,
oh,
go ahead, sir.
I was curious for like I know this doesn't relate to Omni, but the non-humanoid models, when you upload them, do you also have specific animations kind of for each rig type, I guess? Like if you uploaded like the dinosaur, then there
Yeah,
would be.
for different categories, we have different like animations. For birds, we have like a fly and glide animation, and for different types of animals, like deers or like giraffe, they also have a very different type of rig and animation of their legs. But they now have some base animation like jump, run, walk, idle animation. Yeah, some kind of like that.
Okay, yeah, that's really neat. Yeah.
Hmm.
So, so we went over I know at the very start, when my computer was acting up, you had shown the models that you guys have available. Just are those already rigged and ready to go then?
Yeah, they are all already rigged. I can show a little bit more of them.
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, okay. This is our library, and here we have already like rigged and animated models, but also it's a library of static models. So basically, you just need to type, for example, like a cat, and it can be very low poly or high poly model, depends on your wishes. And
Right.
here we have run animation,
Oh yeah. Wow.
jump.
Okay. So
Yeah.
are these models are not created with AI? These are hand created.
Yeah,
Okay.
these are hand-created models.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
You can download it here
Right.
also with
Right.
all the animations.
Right.
Um, Also, yeah, we, we have like a bobcat. I mean, it's like different types of models. You can also search, for example, like a butterfly or ants.
Okay. So just a large. I mean, it's a big 3D model library.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Oh, and it's animated too. Awesome. So are all the models that you have listed, are they animated? At least in some minimal sense?
Uh, if there is like an icon that
Okay.
is like this, it means a model is animated. But if there is not, it's just a static model.
Okay. That you could then pull into animate anything to rig and then animate.
You can download it and then put to our Animate anything in one of your software. It can be like a Blender, Unreal, also like a Discord bot even, and you can make it animated with our tool.
Right. Right. Cool. Uh, so on the rigging and animation aspect, Sarah, do you want to show Unity the results of it coming in and what it actually looks like?
Okay, yeah. Yeah, let me share my screen. Oh,
I would turn my video back on, but I don't dare.
no. For some reason, I'll just do my entire screen.
Yeah. Yeah. Then. Yep.
Okay, so you can see it, Unity?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, so we started, basically I created these characters in Ready Player Me also, and then pulled them into anything world, and then we used Animate Anything to automatically create the rig. And along with that, we added the Omni a few animations from our site to go along with it. So just, yeah, and in like a few minutes, you can get the characters and the animations already ready in your project. So it's just hit play. So this is showing, I think one is a walk, or yeah, walking animation. The other one's one of our conversation animations. So we have a like conversation categories. So there's like funny, angry, talking, those kind of animations. So yeah, it kind of just shows how easy the process is to combine Omni and Anything World.
Yeah, can you actually go ahead and stop, get out of play mode,
Okay.
and click on the, so go ahead and click on the file that was actually downloaded, so the Omni Run Vault 3, the FBX file, just to show everything that's included in the actual download. Yeah.
Oh,
So,
okay. Here?
yeah,
Or?
yeah, sure. Click on that one, and then expand it, or actually,
This little arrow?
yeah. So this is a download from Anything World, and it includes
Yeah.
it includes the original textures that you uploaded with the rig, and then also the animation that you downloaded with. So it basically includes everything. So it is ready to go.
Yeah, so if you added multiple animations to your character, there would have been multiple actions here.
Or is
Right.
it? Well, no, so this is a good question for Nataliya. So I added 3 different animations from Omni Animation from the Anything World site, and it separated it in these 3 different folders. Is there an option to have it all on a single character, like all the animations brought into a single character, or will it always bring it in as a different file, complete new file?
Now it will be all different files, but
Okay.
you will need to blend it by yourself.
Right.
All the animations.
Right.
It's easier to work in Unreal with all these files because all the, you can just in Unreal you can drop all the files and they will be all available in one character.
Oh, okay. So
maybe there's a way to do that in Unity. I'm not sure.
I mean, you can easily grab the animation from that file, but you're not able to combine them into one file. But I mean, that's no big deal, really.
Right.
So yeah,
but it's nice to have the animation already fit to your custom rig versus going into Unity and having to change the settings and then it not applying it correctly.
Right.
Kind of do all the tweaks in Anything World.
As for me, I prefer to work in Unreal because everything like is much easier there. Also to work with all this animation, you can just drop one character to the scene, and all the animations will be already in it, inside of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've done minimal Unreal work. It's been limited, but the Unreal Marketplace is much smaller compared to the Unity Asset Store. So that's sort of why we're in Unity, but Unreal has been fun to kind of learn and work with, especially with Omni Animation, where we've had to kind of work with tutorials and stuff like that and show how-tos on how to work with Unreal when it's really not our expertise at all, but we're getting there.
I see. Okay.
Yeah. So where is Anything World going? What's on Anything World's roadmap? What's going to come up next?
Well, we have a lot of plans. Also, we have plans to make generated scenes, auto-generated scenes, where it will be like some kind of modular basic, where a scene will be like brought to life, also in AI-based and auto-generation. And I think we have also some upcoming categories of animals and creatures. We have some roadmap here that we can check. I think this is what already came, integration for the Blender. Yeah, we have also integration for Maya and Autodesk 3D Max coming. I think also we are planning it to be available in Cinema 4D, but later. Yeah, also these procedural environments, and it will be available in Unity and Unreal. This is what one of our 3D artists is working on now. And So text to 3D, image to 3D. I think it's still coming because text to 3D. I think I read it for the first time actually.
Well, that sounds cool.
I thought it is an explanation of this voice technology, but no, it's like this text to 3D, some kind of generator with a prompt.
Okay.
It will be super cool because now if you need to search for some additional platforms like Meshi or Luma CSM and type the prompt for text to be transformed to 3D model, but now we will have it on our own. So you can just type something and it will be already a 3D model and it will have all the animation on it.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
That would be like the complete workflow then.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so Anything World is living up to their name.
Yeah.
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 So our main goal is like to make 3D creation available to all some creators with no basic knowledge, and it's just to make all the game creation more fun and joyful, without all this tedious and monotonous work you had to do before.
Right.
Mhm.
Right. Well, I mean, so we've been working with the team on getting this integration going, and we've enjoyed working with everyone from Anything World, and I think it's been a fun collaboration, and I'm looking forward to kind of seeing where we go to next.
For sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So okay.
So
Well,
should we show the plan, like the plans for Anything World, like how to sign up for it? And
yeah. Oh yeah. So how if I'm interested in Anything World, how do I sign up?
yeah,
You can join us in our Discord community. We have like a big community there. You can find us on the Twitter, on the Instagram, on LinkedIn, and just drop us a message, and we can be always connected to our users, and we answering all the questions. So if you have any, just drop us a message on one of these platforms.
Right. Okay.
okay.
Cool.
We also have a question from someone in the comments. So, okay, he was asking, asking for Anything World already. Has it already been used in commercial games? If someone's asking about the auto rig capability. I'm sorry, did it cut out?
No, I can hear you.
Okay. Yeah. So Chio's asking, has Anything World's auto rig already been used in commercial games? It looks interesting.
We already had some integration of our auto rig in some games. I can share some screens. It was Word Warrior, one of the latest. Okay, 1 second. There's some showcases. We had like this Word Warrior game that is available on Steam.
Cool.
Yeah, so
Zombie typocalypse. That's funny.
Yeah, it's like typocalypse.
Yeah.
So there is like a zombies that are coming onto you, and you had to type understand the word and type it that is ending on E or starts with F. You have to type it, and it will upload this model like a rose, for example, if it starts on the R, and it will upload it onto the scene and drop it into the zombie to kill it.
Okay.
Interesting.
Wow.
Okay.
All these models are from our library in Unreal, and it will And I think all these models also created one of our 3D artists, and all the animation there is also from our side, from our outbreak.
Cool. Cool.
Okay.
So it has
Cool.
been in some commercial games.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That's awesome.
All right. Sarah, were there any other questions?
I don't think so. I was thinking, should we show it from our side, like how you would access it from the Omni Animation website?
I don't want to risk it on my side.
Okay.
So I've been having issues with my computer in that whenever I try to show anything that is remotely graphically intensive, it starts freezing up and stuff. So
But
that's
maybe
why.
with your video cut off, it would work.
I mean, if we want to risk the stream going down, sure.
Oh, okay, no.
So
If you want, I can show.
yeah, go ahead and show.
I don't know if I don't have a character uploaded right now, but
Yeah, if you log in with the info at Omni Animation address, there's
oh,
some characters uploaded with that. You'll
okay,
have to do it on the staging site though.
Oh, the staging center. Okay.
Yeah. So this partnership with Anything World, we kind of had a two-way integration. Nataliya showed the side from Anything World to Omni Animation, where we're using their web interface, and then we also are able to pull in some characters or some models or humanoid models from Anything World that were rigged with the Animate Anything feature. I think one of the next features that we're going to add to this integration is the ability to pull in any of the humanoid characters that are within your library. But right now, it just has to be a rig that has been created by Animate Anything. But yeah, so you can then pull that in to Omni Animation and then kind of see the character animating. I mean, very similar view to what Nataliya showed, where you see the character animating.
Yeah. So should I show it?
Yeah. Why not?
Okay.
Assuming you can get it up shortly.
I mean, I did. Let's see. I'm just going to do my entire screen again.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you see the Omni site?
Yes, we can.
Okay. Yeah. So this is just a library page on Omni Animation, and so I'll just click into like Cartwheel, and then it's over here on the left. It's IK and objects. That's still loading the animation, but yeah, you just open this panel, and then along with custom objects, we have a custom character. So you can either upload your own, or you could use the Anything World tab to log into your Anything World account and pull in your characters from Anything World. So these are characters these are the same ones that we used in the Unity demo. So I created these with Ready Player Me. We uploaded them to Anything World, and Anything World added the rig, like auto rig them. And then, yeah, now we can pull them into Omni and kind of just see. I guess this is just another way to use the integration from our side. So you would pull in the characters, and then you can try different animations using that character.
Yeah, and the texture is not showing just because of a difference in how each platform shows their textures. That's another thing that we're going to be working on. But it's a textureless character for right now. But Omni can only read embedded characters. Anything World generally has separate textures, and so that's why there's the difference, or the texture is not showing. But yeah, you can kind of, what really matters is the animation.
Right. Yeah.
And then there's duplicate characters there, but that Sarah I think had uploaded the same character model twice. So.
Oh, okay. Oops.
Yeah, so it's not a problem with the integration.
Yeah. We just have two.
Yeah. So okay. All right. Well, I think I'll be on. What's that? Anything
I'm just checking the questions.
Okay. Yeah. So next Wednesday, Anything World has a stream that I plan on being on. My computer should be able to handle it without an issue since it won't be doing the actual streaming. So I'll show my face then. But I'm glad that overall it went successfully. I know there was a little bit of a hiccup at the start until I disabled my camera. But thank you, Nataliya, for coming on. And
thank you for the invitation.
Yeah,
it
definitely.
In person, and just to say a few words about our team.
Yeah. So yeah, anytime you want to come back, just let us know. We'll work on
Yeah.
some new feature or something like that, and then get you back on.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Well, thank you everyone for watching. And
Yeah, thank you.
yep.